Guys, I want you to watch this video to the end. I just chanced on a live stream where some Ghanaians in South Africa are complaining that, they've started receiving calls from their relatives back home that they should come back home, and there is xenophobia going there. They are beating them there. Whereas they are saying there's nothing as such happening there. That the people that were repatriated, they don't even like what the people that were repatriated back to Ghana are saying. According to them, those that were repatriated back to Ghana, they were, some Ghanaians there that they have no document. They were even looking for a free ticket to even come back home already. Those are the people which, with all these things happening, they are even thankful to God that this thing is happening and they are coming back home. But as they are getting back home, the things they are hearing some of them say, that there is xenophobia, they are beating them, their families are calling them, and then they are pleading with them and then the Ghanaian government that they've been in South Africa legally for long, and what is happening now is just a protest, whereby the South Africans are protesting that they don't want illegal migration in their country. So to them, they are saying if you are there illegally, this is the time for you to either get your rightful documentation, or if you feel you want to go back home, you go back home peacefully. But the more they are saying things like they are beating them and they are doing this and which is not true, they are saying it can put them that are there legally at risk, and then they are pleading with everybody. There is no xenophobia going on there. They are not beating anybody there. If you are in South Africa and you are a Ghanaian, if you have your legal documentation, just stay safe, stay okay. Anytime the authorities come, show them your legal documentation, you are good to go. And they are also pleading with the Ghanaians that want to stir tension where there is no tension. You guys will cause problem for your Ghanaians living in South Africa.
Guys.
Okay, thank you.
The issue ninti na me buy. Na me buy purpose for me adi binti na me buy. Na before say me buy no, me ma menua mo mienu bi ekohye manan wo madwuma mu wo. Nti sisi a na we aba na ye nua mo bi aba na mo keka nsem bebre sei. Sisi a no me dwe madwuma ho. Do ba die bi wo a me dwe I no me the whole my life na I no na my. Me say there's a one particular lady be among the naba. Me pa physical. No we side in order to do the exercise. Oni mi kunu. Sabe me pese meka obi life na obo. Ablabo no mo mu pa. Omo ababi. Na wutie interview omo kan. It's funny. Eya boyfriend. Me sorry ne Ghana from also. Me dey cancel. Me pese me bo lead ne dey. Yeah.
So many years new. You can't say xenophobia.
Sometimes when I say go on as a walker, where I can say me out, where you answer, but you say I am a insult. Sir Jimmy, I will be now be kind as it say. Say what you got here, ye will be any wise cry. Ye come and get out to answer, you take action. Una answer for answer. Why? That is a rich Casarianco.
Me buy the start here. Sometimes na ye nnuane mu bi hia me nkofo ne boye nkofo ne omutimi bisa masam sana me bukura fu ena mka chere se munya to wase we na si no enya ade ombo Ghana for but me kwade na me susu se Nigeria for no nti na ko ba se omampan ni dey flight akosi wo so omombla no ena me say we obi onni hwe no ono beba but Ghana for e wo pa mo ye bibi no obi eno obeba me kan na omo fi se me bo me nkata ya fence nkata ma try back for me di atrisa ya fa amane nti me stamp ni bi e na me bo
no sure so anga ka remember me
okay stamp ni bi na me bo nti no me no kase me work AC Bloemfontein de me kan obi anim AC Bloemfontein enu se me car na wati over be 150 sisi yonko fi sisi na ekofi pe me lusu seska no me san wo shop e wo anuafo mienu a me de omukwa fresh omukwa be 2 months ni nti no me da nyam se misika na fe mi nche mo nche nti ni sa wo mo a ye de o ma ba fi a mututu ahwe agu ni pe ni e ma me mo frefre ye no omo distract omo ma nkofo no ɛhyɛ bufuo mu sisi mpanimfoɔ abɛn sisi de mpanimfoɔ ne yɛsɛ mo kɔle ɔmo na mo ti mi sɛkyerɛ nneɛma ɛnyɛ saa ntɔkwan na ɔkɔsi abla na ɔma mmienu okun a na sɛ wotu baako fo sɛ bu a ɔngyae a na ɔsan ka kyerɛ baako sɛ ɔnsan nko yɛnyɛ ne saa nti mesrɛ ɔma asɛm a mpɛ sɛ meka meyɛ interested mu deɛ mɔka ne paa meda mo ase
yo yada ase uni abema yada ase me pa cho obadwo a se oti enka obetumi abie hu why Mr. Sure sometimes oma comment na ebi mo ma omo pa na se oma meti asem na se a omfiti e na no mo bio ma no bam no ma ka no bebre obadwo a istinke ma to beti abie hu why obadwo me hu dada
Martini ni afema mpacha na what say
nyame ado meti apo mi jam na so na so e
oh nyame adom me so me hu ye pa
be pa chi yo
ye mam me so me kire madwen kakra
Training na mama.
And any 3 days say ya hanom Jeffreys Bay. Ade omo ye wa hase na nya asem kitwa. Ese kuroma ni nyina ye kra mi hu efisem ba kromi ase. From 20 to 15 years na mi kwe mi hu bi say da. Ese ye share them the whole day. Na omo ye say yenko. Ye mu bi won mekuta ye nkrata ya betena kromi anom ache ya boye bra. Etu timi sori preko pe mefa o bag se wo kona wadwuma bi ne onema bi awo no uja ne ho anase wo ye ne dey enti no omo di kan o Ghana ne de we amusi kasanya me anim ne kure ne wo se omo dwen ye ne a yenso ye wa akire no ho because ye mu bi wo no ma sebe ya bebo bra wo kuro mi ase enti mitimi so ale preko pen fa me bag se me ko no ma beja me niema me wo e wo kuro mi anu se me ko so e ye se me ko se me bai
so ti die
I was say omutimi nya abotani ensem bi omokeka say de omu de we omusi condemn chromianum fine say chromianum enti say first ni bi emu de ana sa de we na omo be ye ne first na ye ba be hu sa de we say oma ya na me krade bia na me ka say sa de omo ya anka Eastern Cape krade nti dru ha say nka ye hu bibi say by this time na edru ha ne de e kire say chromian for no mani ayede abrenti ye mpanyefo ne be se omo say omo ni chromium penyifo no enkasa na se omo de be famra kwan so na bia omo be checking from bia enkrata na se omo ni bi no yenua na omo ni bi ne be pe kwan bi so omo benya bidie kuta na aboa ye mu bi obi ankasa Ghana na ye konanyi o Ghana ye eye krom ana ye den ya obi na obeka krom ya se ba mitimi fiti preko penfa me bag ne se me ko Ghana se de omo yom da yem hyehye abetu ye busuafo so fiti just a 50 be 2 weeks in the course any per receive no ojo kra won ti ase
ajo anya botre shark gh ajo asem na oka no so obenya abotre na watie ni ya umba ha so obedi di obi atema e betena ha de ahwe wati
but they don't stay there with
anya wo so na sabi utadi ane ma obi edi oti Ghana ho no anasa oti South Africa ha no onipa na no oti na o kasa no hu hia nsene ono amu ono hu hia so ko wuni no
hu hia mi o me kwa
hu hia nsene wa wo kasa no
trotro de wo trotro
no so obi be man kwase comment bi a block ni free o we ko so no mo nim asem nim
don't come stay there with your property na say yen ka say yet land ma ba bewu ana nya no su nti na me be so
ajo ada bi wasem na o kan kwa point first one me too na kasa ana o yeko first for
me pa chat me nka
ajo na me sinya abotre
okay
first for o kasa na wa me too ana o yeko
my blocking Mr. Sure my blocking no ana make I say mama na
what na be say am blocking no enu nti na masi fam si o bo la kasa o de men kasa me se mo fam wa se no iba
Come closer and let's talk. Abuziafo. We are going to meet you bibia. Yenia yenyina yenim sem de ekoso okrom ho a in South Africa. South Africa de ekoso a. But asem we me kokan by krofo bebrebe na omu twabo me ne ade ade krofo comment section mona mukofie no. Ede nyankopon ase se President Mahama president awodwe ne maho ene Mr. Okujeta Obraka ne Mr. Benjamin Kwashe omatimi a facility makwa koduru fie yes lemo ti say no interviews no
ɛyɛ mo ka de wom ɛne de nim no especially de mo ka de nim no ɛyɛ interview na mo kɔ na mo ka mesa yɛ nyina yɛtena kuro mu ada South Africa na hemfa na mo kɔtena agya ntimi o saa treatment no o de ma mo hwɛ ɛtɛrɛ bi a we need to speak the truth some of us no ɛsɛ yɛ ka no korɛ sɛ de ne korɛ ne sitiɛ most of interview I'm telling you and some of them in a bebrebe nya no korɛ bebrebe some of them bebrebe no bebrebe some bebrebe na mo kan nya ne korɛ ya tena kro mu acha papa most of you mo ba kro mu ada ben most of you tam ben na mo ba kro mu and some bi wo ha mo ka mo hwɛ ne year remember say there are 16,000 Ghanaians. Mr. Akujeta interior foreign affairs minister ba no more statistics need to 16,000 Ghanaians living in South Africa. Into 300 na bedru omaba Ghana no and not even 0.5%. Nanka bedru 1%. Into mu enema free no mu kaseba any bloggers and you try ni ade no mu you are putting a lot of Ghanaians here in South Africa. The 15,700 Ghanaians here living in South Africa now in danger. In some na mo kano say ye masa some ne bebrebe ye ne ya okurum ha me okurum na me ye some ne bebrebe nya no korɛ South Africa fo bia emfa ma ne ntuo ne se kan chase Ghana for so mo bia so mo bo Ghana for it's never here no that is not true ya mo kano korɛ kakra mo kwa kudura thank God mo kwa kudura so jim ba nsema mo ka na nim no mo ntoni ne down South Africa for Omope Ghana for us and papa. Open one country, South Africa, they respect them as Ghanaians. Open one country, South Africa, respect your power as Ghanaians. Because you know your comports your home. Just statistics in the Bible. Omuko airport, Omuye screening. Omuko, Obian who are criminal records, who will nipa, so wako repubi, and also wako turn dress, and also wako. I thank God that didn't happen because Ghana baby could be a comporting, you respect your we abide by the rules and the regulations in this country, South Africa. Our Ghana from wo baby, I guess I did Yesu, I we are a victim of circumstances. I did say we are a victim of circumstances. And Crawford ma targeted and Ghana for crank. Ayalata for no, and no target to because of any of my bonnet, and any of my bonnet, any of my fool, you crumuha, and no target to Ghana for some, and some more canning, most of them is not true. South Africa for chasing Ghana for so more. Yeah, there be one incident here and there. And you're more approaching you maybe a crucial shop. I don't know a general. Everybody, every nationality, foreign national, what South Africa has it. Into common mood, you know, Mr. Moon toning it down. Most of them common mood, most of them in your crap. And you crap. I can boldly tell you, you guys are exaggerating and you're correct. South Africa form Mpama, Nkotiba, say Namabontia, want to mean Namnia, the other, and you're correct. One kind of correct. They support our business. They support us each and every day. They support our business. Most of you have done property through them. They have supported you. They have accommodated you. It is a Yamia to know where you are because you are putting the 15,700 Ghanaians here now in danger. Now the man can in South Africa for more respect Ghana for papa. Or more Ghana for papa. No more respect here. So rent it down with no more we are Ghanaian. They don't even stress you no more because you say you brain was you buadia. You